Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atika binti Azhar Shah and my matrix number is 1190674. We would like to present our market survey presentation about preferred pizza restaurant, either Pizza Hut or Domino's Pizza. First demographic question is about respondents' gender. Majority of the respondent is among female with differences of 66% than male respondents. Secondly, since the survey is conducted among university students, so the age range is between 19 to 22. The most number of respondents is among students between age 19 to 20, with 96% out of 53 respondents. Third and fourth question asks about the respondents' faculty and courses. Most of them from Faculty Ekonomi Muamalat, and from all 5 courses from FEM, accounting students are the major contributor in this survey. Faculty Science Technology has 1 respondent each from Food Biotechnology and Biology courses. Same goes to Faculty Syariah Undang-Undang with 1 respondent from Syariah and Law course. Lastly, the question asks the respondents' living area. Most of them staying in college residential hostel and some staying at the parents' house, and none of them stay in rented house.
My name is Aunina Biha binti Zulkifli, matrix number 1190663. Now I'm going to present the objectives of this market survey project. First, to find out which restaurants are more preferred by customers. Throughout this survey, we are able to identify the differences in consumers' preferences for 2 competitive restaurants, which are Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza, and find out which one of these 2 is more favorable to respondents. Second, to understand customers' dissatisfactions and the solutions to solve the problems. As we know, recommendations given by customers are really important for businesses in order for them to make improvements, so that this survey indicates the actions needed taken by these 2 restaurants to overcome their customers' dissatisfactions so that their businesses will run smoother. Last but not least, to enhance our skills in many ways. Combination of hard skills and soft skills is really important for us as students to be successful in our future career. This survey helped a lot by improving our writing skills when preparing market survey report, and also we managed to improve our communication skills through this market survey presentation. Next, we proceed with the methodology of this market survey project. First, we conducted a pilot survey test by distributing 5 sets of questionnaires to 5 students living in residential college, College Kediaman di Lamkot, KKNC. Then, we altered the questionnaires after evaluating some suggestions given by one of the respondents. After that, we distribute finalized questionnaires to the respondents of University Science Islam Malaysia, USIM, through Google Form. And lastly, we analyze the completed data and information obtained from answered questionnaires in the market survey report.
Alright, so now that we are done with our section 1, so now let's move on to section 2. My name is Nurfatin Sakina binti Muhammad and my matric number is 1190706. We'll be presenting to you about our section 2, which is on survey questions and the result that we get from it. So our first question is, do you like pizza? We ask this question because we want... Alright, so now move on to question number 2. We ask our respondents how often do they eat pizza, and we gave them choices whether it was daily, weekly, monthly, or maybe once in a while. And majority of our respondents voted for once in a while the rest of them voted for monthly, and there's one person who voted for weekly and no one voted for daily. And we asked them why, and they said that pizza is not our main food, and since all of our respondents are among students, so they do not have much income to eat pizza every single day. For question 3 and onwards, we will be more focusing on comparing both restaurants, whether it was Pizza Hut or Domino's Pizza. And in the pie chart, the blue one goes for Pizza Hut and the purple one will go for Domino's Pizza. So for question number 3, we asked our respondents, which of these 2 restaurants do they easily get access more, or which of these restaurants do they see more in their neighborhood? And as you can see in the pie chart, the blue one is more bigger than the purple one, so the votes goes more for Pizza Hut. And this is because Pizza Hut is established in Malaysia way more longer than Domino's Pizza, so Pizza Hut do have more franchises here rather than Domino's Pizza. Alright. So the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Quratunisha binti Ahmad Idaham. My matrix number is 1190712. So I will continue with question number 7. Question number 7 asks about which restaurant would respondent prefer more between Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza. So from our survey, we get that respondent prefer Pizza Hut over Domino's Pizza with percentage 60.4 for Pizza Hut and 39.6 for Domino's Pizza. And from our survey also, we get that respondent choose Pizza Hut because Pizza Hut tastes more delicious than Domino's Pizza, and Pizza Hut also give more frequent promotion than Domino's Pizza. Next, question number 8 asks about how would respondent rate the service provided by their preferred restaurant. So from our survey, we get that 24.5% vote for very satisfied, and 58.5% vote for satisfied, and 17% vote for neither satisfied or dissatisfied. Thus, we can conclude that both from Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza have good customer service because no respondent vote for dissatisfied. Next, question number 9 asks about what kind of service that the respondent think their preferred restaurant is good at. So, from the pie chart above, show that the highest vote goes to variety of choice with 45.3%. And second vote get 20.8%, which is fast service, and the third vote goes to delivery service with 13.3%. So the next question is question number 10. We had asked respondent why they do not choose the other restaurant. Why they do not choose the other restaurant, which is between Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza. So the answer is from the survey, we get that they do not choose the other restaurant because the other restaurant is too pricey, and the second one, it is too hard to access because some of the many of the respondents come from student, so they do not have transport to go to the restaurant, so they just prefer to go near them. And lastly, the third reason is because the restaurant is bad in service. And lastly, recommendation. So for recommendation, we had asked respondent which restaurant between Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza they would like to introduce or suggest to their family or friends. So many of respondents had choose Pizza Hut because of the delicious taste of Pizza Hut, and secondly because of the affordable price. Many respondents states that Pizza Hut have more affordable price than Domino's Pizza, and thirdly because of varieties of toppings. So when the pizza have variety of toppings, so the customer would love to come again and come again to that restaurant. And recommendation from our group, we also had choose Pizza Hut to suggest to our friends and family because of two reasons. First reason is because of the crust of Pizza Hut is more soft, so it makes the pizza more delicious when we eat it. So the second reason is because it was very tasty and there are many flavor and toppings from Pizza Hut, so we can choose according to our preference. So that's all from me and our group. Thank you.